Are you waiting for a phone that meets your every expectation? One with features so incredible, they'll leave you absolutely stunned? Then this video is just for you. Because Nokia is about to shake up the market once again with its latest smartphone, the Nokia Eve 5G. This isn't just a phone, it's an absolute powerhouse. And guess what? It's rumored to pack a jaw-dropping 300-megapixel DSLR camera, all at an incredibly affordable price. If you're eager to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the very end. In today's video, we're breaking down all the leaked specs, price, and launch details. Let's dive right in. Features of the Nokia Eve 5G. Display. The very first feature will blow you away, its stunning display. You're getting a massive 6.95-inch QHD plus OLED display. Imagine experiencing movies and gaming like never before. And that's just the beginning. It also boasts a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Every swipe, every game, feels buttery smooth. Plus, with HDR10 Plus support, colors pop like never before. And for security, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock, so your private data stays safe and secure. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about its most impressive feature, the camera. Folks, brace yourselves, because this phone is rumored to feature a 300-megapixel main camera. Yes, you heard that right, 300 megapixels. And with OIS support, this phone is set to deliver insane performance in low light and night photography. It's also equipped with a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera and an 8-megapixel macro lens. And for all you selfie lovers, don't worry, there's a 32-megapixel front camera. With resolution this high, every selfie will look like a professional poster. Performance. What powers all of this? An absolute beast of a processor. The Nokia Eve 5G is expected to run on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This chip is so powerful, it'll make heavy gaming and multitasking feel like a walk in the park. And to top it off, it'll run on the latest Android 16 OS, delivering a super smooth and bug-free experience. Battery backup. All of this is great, but what if the battery can't keep up? Well, no worries here. This phone is rumored to pack a massive 8800 mAh battery. It's so powerful, you can easily go 2 full days even with heavy use. And when it's finally time to recharge, no problem, because it supports 120-watt super fast charging. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will this incredible phone cost? Well, here's the best part. Despite all these flagship-level features, the expected price is rumored to be around just $999. That means you're getting a flagship killer at a mid-range budget. The only catch, the official launch date hasn't been announced yet. But as soon as we get any updates, you'll be the first to know.